Ingredient. This is lengkuas in Malay, galangal root. I can also show you the book. Maybe my camera girl can also focus on this. This is galangal root. Okay. Ginger.
Young ginger.
Root. Young. Okay.
So it's lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
This one.
Onion and white onion.
Garlic.
Garlic, sorry. Onion and garlic. I know Roland don't like garlic, but we like it after this. Okay?
Sekarang ni semua blend jadi.
So what you have to do next is to blend all this garlic, onion, lemongrass, galangal root, and the young ginger. Blend all these ingredients and it will become the one in this bowl. Okay? This one. Next.
Tiga.
Okay, the next one is tamarind. Take little bit of tamarind depending on how much you want and depending on the taste. Okay? Put it in the bowl. Pour water and you have to do this to make sure that you get the sauce. Okay? And the next one is of course the peanut, one of the main ingredient. You have to fry the peanut with oil, okay, until it become like this.
Until brown.
Until brown, a bit brownish. And later
Blend.
you have to blend this peanut until it become like this. Okay? And the next one, of course, one of the important ingredient is the
Chili.
Dried chili.
dried chili. Okay? Then you have to boil the chili, okay, until
Still.